Hello everybody. I'm at the site of Edmonton Memorial Park in Edmonton, Alberta. It's in the northwest part of the city. And in 1987, it experienced an F4 tornado on this site. The city has forever since then called that day Black Friday. Basically, it was Friday, July 31st, 1987. A tornado reached with winds of 418 kilometers an hour, which is 259 miles per hour, had a pressure at its center reached 919.3 millibar. And this tornado produced hail the size of tennis balls and larger, produced 300 millimeters or 12 inches of rainfall, and it caused damage throughout this region. The swath of the tornado was 30.8 kilometers or 19.1 miles. The tornado reached a width or a diameter of 1.3 kilometers, which is 0.81 miles wide. It was essentially the worst natural disaster in Alberta history and one of the worst in Canada. So this tornado, it went through large region of Edmonton, including Refinery Row, where it tossed oil tanks, trailers, it leveled buildings, caused tremendous amounts of damage. It was a multi-vortex tornado at times, and it was on the ground in the Edmonton area for about 1 hour, and 27 people were killed and over 300 people were injured in this tornado. In this trailer park where I am, it's called the Evergreen Motor Home Park. This whole region, it's sort of like an enclosed community with mostly, some houses, but mostly trailers next to the houses. So in 1987, in this particular park where I'm standing, 200 mobile homes were destroyed and 15 people were killed here. So of the 27 casualties in that day from that tornado, 15 of them were in this location. Many of the injured people, there's 300 plus injured, and many of them were also from this location. So I just wanted to document this. They say that through parts of the city, some of the damage really means that the tornado was more like an F5, which is the largest category of tornadoes, but it never officially became like an F5. It was graded as an F4, which the gradings are based on the wind speed and size, diameter, and damage. And you have to remember that in windstorms, when the damage doubles, when the wind speed doubles rather, the damage doesn't increase as the square of the wind speed, it increases as the cube of the wind speed. So if you have winds in a storm that are twice as fast, peaking at twice as fast, then the damage can be 2 to the cube, which is 8 times greater. So this park is a little bit out of the way on our trip, but we're in Edmonton, and we thought that we might as well come by and document this, find this memorial. I knew it existed, but it's a little bit hard to find. But it's right behind the Evergreen Community Center building and the Evergreen Mobile Home Park in Edmonton, Alberta. So next stop, Saskatoon. Thank you for listening to my videos, and please consider donating to my website, paulbeckwith.net, to support my videos and my research on abrupt climate system change, or my GoFundMe page to support, help cover some of the expenses of this trip. Okay, well, thank you for listening, and bye for now.